Let's look at this question here. We are going to show that cos 2x equals to these values here, 1 plus 2x squared plus 2/3 x raised to 4 plus 4 over 45 x raised to 6. Now cos 2x, we want to see what is cos 2x. Cos 2x is the same as e raised to 2x added to e raised to negative 2x over 2. Alright? But also, according to Maclaurin series, e raised to x is usually given by 1 added to x added to x squared divided by factorial 2 x raised to 3 divided by factorial 3 and so on. Now we shall be using the Maclaurin's expansion or the Maclaurin series to expand, try to expand e raised to 2x and e raised to negative 2x. After expanding the two, we shall add them up and see if we can get this value here. Now cos 2x, this one is the same as this one here can also be written in the form a half into e raised to 2x added to e raised to negative 2x, from which if you multiply everything inside the bracket by a half, you shall have a half e raised to 2x. Sorry, this one is 2x. That one is e raised to 2x added to e raised to negative 2x. Remember, this one is also multiplied by a half. So a half e raised to negative 2x. Now we shall expand the two separately and then add them later. We start with a half e raised to 2x, and this one is you take a half outside, and this one is multiplied by 1 added to 2x added to 2x now raised to 2 over factorial 2 added to 2x raised to 3 over factorial 3, and because we are looking at this power here, we are looking at x raised to 6, it means we shall continue 2x raised to 4 factorial 4 plus 2x raised to 5 factorial 5 plus 2x raised to 6 factorial 6, and so on. We can simplify this one further by multiplying everything here inside by a half, because a half is outside. So this one simplifies to half times 1 is a half, half times 2x is x, half times 2x squared divided by factorial 2. That one simplifies to x squared, add to 2/3 x raised to 3 plus this one simplifies to a third x raised to 4 plus this simplifies to 2 over 15 x raised to 5, and plus this one simplifies to 2 over 45 x raised to 6. Let's proceed and expand a half now, e raised to negative 2x, and this one will be a half into 1 plus now negative 2x. Remember, here is negative, e is raised to negative 2x This one is added to negative 2x raised to 2 over factorial 2. This one is added to negative 2x raised to 3 factorial 3. This one is added to negative 2x raised to 4 factorial 4. Added to negative 2x raised to 5 over factorial 5. Added to negative 2x raised to 6 over 6 factorial, and so on. This one simplifies to a half, again a half, and minus, because we're multiplying by negative 2x, so we shall have minus x plus x squared, and this one is minus 2 over 3 x raised to 3 plus a third x raised to 4, subtract 2 to 15 x raised to 5, add 4 to 45 x raised to 6. Now, since we were adding this plus this, we were adding here, we are going to add, call this one equation 1 and this one equation 2. I'm going to add 1 to 2. I'm going to add the 2 equations also, and I shall collect like terms. Now, by collecting like terms, you find that a half added to a half, so half plus when added to a half you get 1. Here we have plus x minus x, so this one cancels out. X squared plus x squared becomes plus 2x squared plus 2/3 x raised to 3 minus 2/3 x raised to 3. This one cancels out because you shall get a 0. And this one is added to third. Added to a third, you get 2/3. And this one is x raised to 4. 2 over 15 added to negative 2 over 15. This one cancels out because you shall get a 0. Now 2 over 45 here added to 2 over 45, 4. This one was 4, not 4 but 2. Let me make that correction. This one is 2 here, and this one was also 2, so that if you add the 2, you shall get plus 4 over 45 x raised to 6. Now, this equation is the same as our original equation, so it means that our answer is correct, because this one was our original equation, which was cos 2x. All right, and if I may go back to the equation, this is what we had: 1 plus 2x squared plus 2/3 x raised to 4 plus 4 over 45 x raised to 6. And from our result, the two equations are the same. So it means cos 2x is 1 plus this one with this value here. Thank you for watching, and that's it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, may God bless you for now.